boost your income promoting brands online. In an era where financial stability is increasingly elusive, finding alternative sources of income has become more than just a trend. It's a survival tactic. Today, we live in an economy where the cost of living outpaces salary growth, making it harder for many people to make ends meet. This economic reality underscores the importance of having an additional income stream, and becoming a brand ambassador online could be your golden ticket. Brand ambassadorship is a potent strategy that allows you to earn money while promoting brands you love. It's a win-win situation. You get paid for your efforts, and the brand gets valuable exposure to your network. But, like any venture, it requires knowledge, dedication, and a touch of creativity. What if you could learn this skill from an expert? Someone who has mastered the art of brand ambassadorship and is eager to share their knowledge with others. Imagine having a mentor guiding you through the process, providing practical tips, real-life examples, and relatable scenarios to help you understand and navigate the landscape of brand promotion. Learning from an expert can significantly fast-track your success. They've been there, done that, and know what works best. They can help steer you clear of common pitfalls and accelerate your journey towards becoming a successful brand ambassador. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the potential income. While it would be misleading to promise you'll become a millionaire overnight, it's important to note that successful brand ambassadors can earn a substantial income. The key lies in how effectively you can promote the brand and engage your audience. The beauty of becoming a brand ambassador is that you don't need a massive upfront investment. Unlike other business ventures, all you need is an online presence, a passion for the brand you're promoting, and the readiness to learn and apply new skills. In a world that's increasingly moving online, becoming a brand ambassador offers an exciting opportunity to earn extra income while doing something you love. With guidance from an expert, you can navigate this journey more efficiently, learning from their experiences and leveraging their insights. With expert guidance, practical tips, and a transparent approach, you can navigate this path more effectively and possibly turn your passion into a serious paycheck. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. So don't shy away from this opportunity because you're starting from scratch. Embrace the learning process, stay committed, and soon you might find yourself earning money by promoting brands online. Jump in, learn, grow, and start earning now.